Hey guys, so it is Thursday today and I'm going to get my hair cut because my hair is really thick and I want to get layers, so I'm going to the hair salon. So yeah, I'm going to be wearing my mask, and also I want to dye my hair a silver, just ombre. So yeah, I just kind of want a little change. So yeah, let's go to the hairstylist. Okay guys, so I just finished getting my hair cut. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's definitely way shorter and I got layers as well. So yeah, I'm really happy about it. She did a really great job. She's actually my first hairdresser here in North Carolina. So yeah, love her, and I'm really happy for her because she upgraded her hair salon. So yeah, everything looks better. But yeah, I really like my hair right now. As you can see, like there's a little bit of brown left in my hair from when it was dyed last year. But yeah, so tomorrow I think I'm going to be bleaching my hair, and then the next day I think I'm going to be dyeing my hair gray. So yeah, I think it's just gonna be ombre, maybe just like right here, but I don't know, my hair's pretty short right now, so should I just do like the whole head and then leave the roots? Don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Like my head feels so light and it's like really thin now. But yeah, she did follow like safety protocol. She wore a mask. She had our temperature checked in the beginning before like we proceed to like the procedures, and then she also made us wash our hands, and then she sanitized everything like in front of you. So yeah. Okay everyone, so today is the day that I'm going to be bleaching my hair. So my sister's gonna do the hair bleaching, and then tomorrow we're going to be dyeing my hair silver, gray, I don't know, but I'm using the Ion Chrome color. So yeah, I just got a haircut as you saw earlier in the video, and I am wearing like a hair dyeing shirt. So yeah, I have like all the stuff here at Sally's. So yeah, so let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so first we got the bleach. So this is just the L'Oreal Quick Blue. Of course, the purple shampoo, a purple conditioner from TJ Maxx. And then this is the dye that I'm going to be using. So yeah, it's just the Ion Permanent Color in Chrome. And then the developer that we're going to be using is the Ion Sensitive Scalp 30 developer. And then I just got a healing oil treatment from TJ Maxx. Okay, so my sister's going to be doing my hair, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it turns out well. And Brad Mondo, please don't come for us because we're not professional. So yeah. Also, I just watched this girl's video on YouTube, and I just got all the same like ingredients as her. So yeah, I'll link her video down below, and she was also featured on Brad Mondo's channel. So yeah. Guys, so it is the next day and it is round 2 of bleaching. So this is what my hair looks like after the first round. So as you can see, like only the back is kind of blonde. Like this is the color that we want. But yeah, after I bleached it, I just washed my hair with purple shampoo and then the purple conditioner as well, and then I just let it dry, and then I put some of this oil right here. And I know macadamia is also pretty pricey. Hi! So another alternative you can use is the Hollywood Beauty Vitamin E oil. It's really cheap. I think this was like $2. So yeah. Okay guys, so the bleach is done, and then after that we just rinsed my hair with purple shampoo once, and then I just put purple shampoo on my hair again, and then I'm gonna leave this on for about an hour, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I just have like a dirty towel that's already bleached, so yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, so it's been a couple days now. Actually, it's only been like 2 days, but it is Monday night right now, and I just finished the third round of bleaching, and I think it looks pretty good and ready. It looks pretty ashy, I guess, and it's pretty much light now. It looks kind of crazy right now, but yeah, so I was gonna do the dyeing tonight after this one, but I just brushed my hair and a little bit of hair kind of came out. I'm just gonna put a content warning right now. I'm gonna insert the picture right here of how much hair came out. I mean, it's not really much, but I don't know, I just kind of like, I don't know, I'm just a little paranoid, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do the final coloring tomorrow. But yeah, this is just what it looks like. I actually used blue and purple shampoo. I used blue to cancel out the brassiness, and then purple shampoo to cancel out like any harsh yellow tones. So yeah. Hi guys, so it's been a couple days now and I forgot to actually vlog my hair, so this is what it looks like. It's not perfect, but honestly it's fine for just at home dyeing. So yeah, it looks like this. It's a little like ashy and it has purple, like purple as you can see, but I mean that's fine. I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, it's just a mix of like ash brown, gray, and purple, and I think it's actually pretty. I curled it because I was gonna film after this video, so yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, as you can see, it is like a gray, ashy brown, purpley color, and I think it's really pretty, so yay. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So yeah, but yeah, I really like how it turned out. I mean, it's not bad for an at-home job. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. But yeah, there's really not much to say, so I'm just going to end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I honestly was just bored, so yeah, this is what happened. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!